Yo, everybody. Hey, sitting here with Aim High Photography. Hey, guys, today we're doing a test with the GoPro Hero 13. It's been shot at 4K 30 versus the Mission 1 Pro. It's been shot at 4K 30, but in its low light mode. So, guys, look at the GoPro Hero 13. We have all the settings the same. 4K 30. But for the GoPro Mission 1 Pro, we're shooting in its low light mode. I just happened to be out at this particular dealership testing out the Mission 1 Pro in low light versus the GoPro Hero 13, guys. How is this? How is it looking? And we do have some lights, coming off the, the dealership. But still, guys, how is the low light on the GoPro Mission 1 Pro, which has been shot at 4K 30, versus the Hero 13? What do you think? What do you think, guys? How is that low light mode? How is the low light mode, guys? Yeah, guys, tell me what you think. Please comment, like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. See me with Aim High Photography. I'm out. Yo.